Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into SharePoint in 2025, you're in for a treat because creating links has never been easier or more powerful. Whether you're linking documents, pages, or external resources, this feature boosts collaboration and keeps your team organized. Today, I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, straightforward way so you can start using it right away. First things first, make sure you're logged into your SharePoint account. Head over to your site or document library where you want to add the link. SharePoint's interface is intuitive, but if you're new, look for the Site Contents or Documents section in the left-hand navigation pane. Once you're there, click on the New button, usually found at the top of the page. From the drop-down, select Link. This is your gateway to creating hyperlinks. Now, you'll see a form pop up. Enter the URL of the link you want to create. It could be an internal SharePoint page, like another document in your library, or an external site, such as a web page from the internet. Don't forget to add a display name for your link, something descriptive that makes sense to your team, like Q1 Sales Report, instead of a long URL. You can also add a description to provide more context, which is super helpful for accessibility and searchability. After filling in the details, hit Create or Save. SharePoint will generate the link instantly. To make sure it works, click on it and test it out. If everything looks good, you're all set. A quick tip. In 2025, SharePoint has enhanced security features, so double-check permissions to ensure only the right people can access your links. This prevents unauthorized viewing and keeps your data safe. Also, use descriptive names to improve navigation. It's a game changer for larger teams. There you have it. Creating links in SharePoint 2025 is quick and boosts your productivity. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's keep learning together. See you in the next video.